Welcome to Cooking with Barry. Today we're making a sweet 5-minute fudge wreath. First, grab your chocolate and butterscotch, and be sure your baking partner doesn't sneak a taste. Next, you'll pour in the condensed milk and warm it up over the stove. Stir it gently until it's well combined. Barry. Now it's time to add in some tasty extras. Stir in the vanilla and mix well. Then toss in some currants and be sure to blend them in. And for a nice crunch, add in the Barry, not yet. Add in the walnut halves. Now you can pour it all into your bundt pan. And no, don't eat it. Put it in the fridge. Let it cool for up to 2 hours. Slice into generous portions and enjoy.